Big welcome to this introduction video for Utrading. My name is Emil. I've been in the crypto market for over 10 years and been traveling around the world educating over tens of thousands of people because I early saw that we are now about to witness the greatest transfer of wealth. And this is a once in a lifetime opportunity to get positioned before trillions of dollars are moving from the traditional financial markets into the crypto markets. Now, one problem I noticed over and over again was that while people would recognize the opportunity in crypto, so many were not able to profit in cryptocurrency because the facts are 95% of people lose money in the financial markets. Now, why that is because most people get involved with no experience, no strategies, and they act on emotions. They buy when they feels good and they sell when they're afraid, and they keep wondering why they're losing money. So on one side, billions of dollars are being made in crypto. On the other side, people are losing because they have the wrong strategies. And I wanted to find a way because I recognize there's not enough time for me to educate people to get 10 years experience because the window of opportunity is getting smaller and smaller. So I had to find a platform that enables people to get started and start profiting in the crypto market with the right tools. And when I was introduced to this ecosystem, I recognized that this is exactly what my community needed. Whether you have a lot of experience like myself and want an automated trading technology to work for you, or if you're completely new and wants to feel that experts and AI is handling your trades, then you need to listen to what this is. Now, the reason that this suited so well for what I was looking for is because this is, first of all, a company behind this that has been in the market for over 10 years. It's $1 billion ecosystem that has been developed with over 1,000 employees. They have all the legal licenses and patents in place, which makes this a very stable foundation. They developed a trading technology called Utrading, which enables people to trade as the top 5% in the crypto markets are doing. The company has invested millions of dollars into trading, analytics tools, and AI technology to be able to find the best opportunities in the market. And together with a trading team of 100 professional traders, they are then placing trades onto the company's capital, which is between $50 to $100 million in trade right now. And you are able to benefit from these trades. Again, not from the company or from their capital, but you are having a copy trading mechanism on your exchange, and your funds stays in your exchange. This was very important to me because I wanted my community to be in full control over their funds in their own exchange account. And this was possible with this technology. Now, in this video, I will show you how, if this resonates with you, how you can get started in literally 5 minutes to set this up in 5 minutes and be able to have millions of dollars and tens of years of experience, AI, and 100 traders working on your exchange with your capital, but it's through an API and a bot, so they cannot withdraw or take your capital. It's all protected in your exchange, and this is the perfect situation for anyone who want to get involved in the crypto market and wants the right tools and the simplicity to get started in the right way. So I'll show you how you can get started in literally less than 5 minutes. I will also show you how you will be able to participate in price draws, which in one of the other platforms the company has developed, which we get access to while we do the trading, is giving us the chance to win a Lamborghini Urus or hundreds of thousands of euro. So I will show exactly how it works, and by the end, you will know how to move forward. So before we go into the details, just keep in mind that this disclaimer is very important. We're talking about crypto market. It's a volatile market. It's something you got to understand that what I'm sharing here today is not financial advice. It is not legal advice. The results I will show you is based on historical data and is not guaranteeing future results. So just keep this in mind as we move through the slides. Now, right now, we are at a perfect timing. If you're looking historically on Bitcoin, anytime Bitcoin has reached all-time high and comes down, which we have seen right now, it is a good entry to get engaged in the crypto market to participate in the next run. Now, the tool that we are using to benefit in the crypto market is Utrading, which is a fully automated trading system for the crypto market. It's running 24/7 using proven strategies to be able to trade on your exchange with you being in control over your assets. Now, this is not any leverage trading where you could liquidate your account. No, this is spot trading, which means it's just buying the coin and selling it at profit, going back to USDT. This is extremely powerful. And these bots that the company offer is not that you pay for a period of time. And if this profit is great, if it's not, you paid for nothing. But here you pay for profits. And I'll show you exactly how that works and why it's such a good model for people instead of what other offers where you got to pay monthly, etc. Now, the company has been in the market for 10 years, $1 billion corporation, over 1,000 employees, 100 plus traders, licensed for global operations. And they have a vision to build a community of 100 million people, to create a empowered community and a self-sustaining digital economy. And to do that, step one is to provide the tools for people to take the first step towards freedom, to financially free themselves. But this is one of many tools that the company is developing. Over 10 years, they have developed infrastructure, technology. They've created and taken patent on new technologies, and they have a huge ecosystem, which is all fueling the growth of this company. And the most important part for all of us here and now, due to the timing in the market, is the Utrading technology, which is available to us. This is backed by advanced AI-driven analytic tools that is constantly researching the market and looking for good opportunities. Then there is a team of traders behind the scenes that is reviewing this data and making decisions. Right now, the company themselves are using these exact strategies to trade over $50 million of their own trading capital. And by you getting involved, you're able to profit and benefit the way the company is doing, because the AI will do its work. The traders will make their decision and the company will make their trades, and automatically your exchange account is going to have the same trade. Again, the funds are in your control, in your exchange account, but through API, which you connect in a minute, it can apply trades on your exchange account. So this is a unified trading system, which is first of its kind that I've seen, where both the company and client accounts follow the same trading logic, ensuring transparency and alignment of interest, which means the company makes money only if you make money, and you make money only if the company makes money. It's the same trades, but it's you get access to $1 million strategies, 10-year experience, and hundreds of traders working for your capital. And the results speak for themselves. Over the past 3 years, the company has had incredible results, generating profits monthly from 15% to 50% monthly. Of course, this is not a guarantee of the future, but it's just to show you what is possible and has been possible with this exact strategy for the past 3 years. Now, to get started is very, very simple. You first of all purchase a performance. It's you getting the bots and performance. I will show you how that works. Then you activate your bot by connecting to your own exchange account, and it's done. It's so simple, literally 5 minutes. You will be able to track everything in your own dashboard. So you have one dashboard where you can purchase your performance. I'll show you soon what I mean. Connect your API to your exchange. You can use any of these exchanges, and more exchanges are coming. Also, decentralized exchanges are coming. Everything can be managed from your Utrading dashboard. But again, all the trades happens in your exchange accounts where you have full control over your assets and your funds. Now, step one is to purchase a bot performance package. This bot performance package allows you to get a specific amount of profits, meaning that if you get the starter package, 1,100 euro, your bot will work until $3,828 has been generated, 300% profit. So the bot will not stop until that has been generated, whether it takes a month, 2 months, 6 months, a year. No one can predict the markets. The beauty here is that the bot will not stop based on time. It will only work until the profit has been reached. And what many people are doing is that they will use the profits then to purchase the next performance package, which enables you to continue trading. And you have the choice. Anytime when trading is happening, you could stop it on your exchange and you could go out. You can take out your profits anytime you want. But whenever the target performance or profits have been reached, it's going to stop and all your funds go into USDT. And then the bot will wait for you to activate it again with a new performance package if you want, or if you're happy, that's it, you got your profits in your exchange. Now, if you purchase a starter performance package, then you will be able to connect the starter bot to your exchange account. So you buy the performance, you then go and connect the bot to your exchange. And this means that you need to have a minimum $1,265 on your exchange. So 1-to-1 ratio. Whatever you paid for your performance package is the minimum requirement in USDT or USDC on your exchange. So these bots are able to trade Bitcoin, Ultima, which is the company's own cryptocurrency, and other coins coming later. So you can make your own strategy based on which coins you want to trade. And it is simple for anyone to get started. And I'll show you now quickly as we go into a demo just account. This is what a new account looks like. When you open your new account, you will be able to go to bot performance licenses. Right now, there is only 3 of them available because we're in a launch promotion of this specific strategy right now. And soon there's going to be much more packages available. But if you choose the starter package, 1,100 euro, you click purchase. You will then choose USDT, accept, or any of the other payment methods. You click purchase, and then you will be taken to a payment page where you simply send the amount that is requested in the right currency to the right address, and the package has been purchased. When it's done, then you will be able to add a bot. So if you had the starter package, then you can add a starter bot. And this bot enables you to then add it, and then you follow the simple strategies by clicking how Utrading works. You click which exchange you are using to trade, and you follow these simple steps in this guide. Very, very simple. Just follow the steps. And the person who invited you can show you, of course, how it's done. But after you connected the bot and you have enough performance, then you will be able to see that this number will increase, and you can see how much of your performance have been reached, how much profits has been generated, and how much is left. And that's it. It's so simple. Now, going back to the presentation, there's something more you get on top of the trading technology and a bot that trades on your exchange. In each package that you purchase, you can see you get ULucky tokens. In the starter package, you get 110,000 ULucky tokens, and these ULucky tokens is available. Oh, let me go here. There we go. ULucky tokens are available for you to use on the ULucky platform, and the ULucky platform enables you to win massive prizes. So on ulucky.com, you can use your ULucky tokens. You can send them from your dashboard into your U-wallet, which is another part of the company's infrastructure. Then you can go to the pools, and in the pools, you can choose which prize draw you want to participate in. You want to win a Lamborghini? Then you can take part of this by using your ULucky tokens. Each token is one chance to win. The more tokens you have, the higher your chance to win. And it's all on the blockchain, decentralized, and the prizes are sent directly to your wallet, chosen by the blockchain itself, and it's done in a complete decentralized way. So it is a very, very exciting because people are not only able to get the bots, get the trading on your own exchange account, having full control over your funds, but also have a chance to win massive prizes. And that is why so many are getting started with this and see the value. So my suggestion is that whoever sent you this video, go back to that person that they can show you how they get started and how you can get started right now. And if this resonates with you, then getting started is going to take less than 5 minutes. These trading technologies are going to get better and better. The market is at a very good time right now. So my suggestion is to get enough information right now so you can make a decision, because when the market moves, you want to already be in, you already want to have your bot connected, and you can then see the profits starting right away. So with that being said, I really urge you to go back to the person who invited you so they can show you the next steps. And in summary, what you have here is a 10-year-old company that has traded their own funds for the past 10 years, and specifically for the past 3 years, been able to find in a very powerful way using AI together with the trading team to create results trading Bitcoin. Now, these trading bots are connected to your exchange account and you have control over your funds. And as you get started, you can just plug it in, get your performance, plug into your exchange, and trading starts. While it's trading, you can participate in price draws and win massive prizes. Now, to end off, I also want to say that we are more than just a trading bot. We are a community of like-minded people in over 120 countries that is coming together to help each other grow in this market, to profit and personally develop. We have webinars every single week, multiple times, and we are having events globally where thousands of people are gathering, and we're meeting and connecting with like-minded people. So if you want to profit in cryptocurrency, if you want to have the chance to win big prizes and come into a thriving community of like-minded people, then this is for you. And I welcome you then to Utrading. So with that, all the love to all of you, and I see you guys in the next videos.